Time to trade. Oh my god. Hey Siri,
I'm listening.
turn the lights on.
Sure thing.
Cause I can't take it anymore.
We're trying to make this money, man. Man, how long y'all been there watching me? You know, brother, get some privacy. At least let a brother know you in here. Man, y'all better be lucky I love y'all. Sneaking in on a brother while he's sleeping. About to get up and trade and make this money with the team. A lot of people been requesting when is the best time to trade. So let me go ahead and wash my face, hit the charts, make some money real quick, and then I'm gonna let y'all know the best times to trade. I got a lot of requests, as you can see on the screen. I'm gonna flash them right here.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
And so I'm gonna go ahead and lace y'all up and answer your questions. So stay tuned right after this.
It's Money Monday. Money Monday. Jay Wayne got that motivation. Let's go.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and welcome to another Money Monday video where I genuinely just want to empower and encourage you all to be profitable traders so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. And as you guys are coming in, I just want you guys to like and share the video with your team and your friends as well. I truly appreciate it as we continue to grow the channel. So before we dive in, I just want to preface this with my mindset coming into this, how I formed this time frame that I choose to trade in. All right, and so my mindset was I did not want to become a slave to the charts. I did not want to be that guy that have to monitor the charts all day long. All right, some people do and they love it, that's fine. But I'm just telling you from my perspective, I did not want to just have to watch and be a slave to the charts all day long. I wanted to find my pocket, get in and get out. Because I did once watch the charts all day long and it was miserable to me. It was like watching paint dry on the wall. So that wasn't for me. That didn't fit my personality. And so I just wanted to find a time frame that I could come into the markets, find a trade. If it's a trade, a no trade day, or a loss, it doesn't matter. Long as I can be consistent with that, which is key, being consistent, that will work for me. And so I found a time frame that works, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. You know, I didn't want to have to trade all day because I wanted to avoid decision fatigue. That's a real thing, decision fatigue. And I also wanted to avoid over trading. All right, so if I could limit myself to a certain time frame, in turn that would help me avoid over trading and decision fatigue. I want to be sharp. I want to get in and get out like a sniper. That's my goal. And I'm also going to share different times that can possibly work for other people as well, because what works for me may not work for you, and I just want to help the majority of people out. All right, so you pretty much got 3 different times to trade in. All right, you got early in the morning, you got morning, and you have the evening time. Okay, because the Forex market is open 24 hours. It closes on Friday at 5:30. It opens up on Sunday around 5:30 as well. All right, Eastern time. So you have 3 time frames, and I tried trading the Australian session. Okay, I tried to trade that, and it was so slow. And that's around when you get out of work around 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then when you get off of work, you want to start trading. I'm done with work. I want to focus on my business. I want to focus on, my career, me getting time freedom. I want to focus on that. But the reality is it's really not that much money to be made in that market if you're a day trader or a scalper. It's really not a lot of money in that market. It moves really slow. And after this, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna actually show you. I'm gonna back up what I'm telling you. All right, so just stay tuned. So that time didn't work out. Every time I came home from work, I get ready to trade, and it was like, yo, nothing is happening. And I was new at the time. And for a new person to say that nothing is happening, that says something, right? So I said, scratch that. And then I did some more research, and then I started to focus on the New York session. Now the New York session moves, especially around 11 o'clock, something about that time. 8 o'clock, it moves because that's like a crossover time. So that was pretty good. That worked out, but I worked a job. So I was at work trading. All right, I was at work trading. And if you watch my last video, are you growing as a trader? You know that that's a no-no. Don't trade while you at work. So I had a hard time focusing. I was making dumb mistakes, dumb decisions. The New York time didn't work for me, you know, consistently. So the only thing was left was London. The only thing left was London. So I started waking up for London, and I found that to be really, really good, really, really good. But I had to sacrifice a lot of sleep to, you know what I'm saying, to make some ground to pursue my career in this, to take this serious, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I did. And you guys saw my journey or whatever, but London is the time. Now I want to show you in the charts what that looks like, and I'm gonna show you so you can get a visual of it versus me just telling you. So come over here, let me show you to the charts, and we're gonna check this out. All right, team, so I decided to just pick the 15-minute chart just so I guess most people is accustomed to that time frame, or this is our entry time frame. So I just picked the 15-minute chart, and I'm gonna brighten up the chart so you can see the day separators. Now look at these vertical lines that start popping up on the screen. You see that? Those are day separators. All right, so everything in here is one day. This is one day of trading. Now I already blocked it out for you. This is 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. When I first started trading, I was waking up at 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. and then I get up and go to work. I'll take a quick nap, like maybe an hour nap, and then I get up and go to work. And the more I began to be independent trader, I started to realize that waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning was not good enough. I was missing moves. So then I said, well, let me wake up at 1 o'clock. I started to see moves happening at 1 o'clock. And I'm like, man, if I woke up at 1 o'clock, I would have caught it. So I started waking up at 1 o'clock in the morning. And basically, my whole theory behind that is, when you have to show up for work, do you show up right on time, or do you come in a little bit early? Now, you might not come in 2 hours early, but you're going to come in early. So I implemented that theory behind facts. And the facts was, at 1 o'clock, a lot of moves was happening at 1 o'clock. Okay? And so a lot of times, us as a team, we'll wake up at 1 o'clock in the morning and we be done trading by 3 o'clock. All right? And then sometimes we stay up until 5 or 6 in the morning. It all depends. So look at this, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Look at the movement that's happening. So you got two moves. You got the bullish move and the bearish move. It's always going to pull back. You know, it seems to always pull back and correct itself. So you have 1 a.m. move and then going towards the 8 a.m. move. And in between that hour, you got some movement. Now let's go to day 2. 1 a.m. and then you got a correction. So it seems like you constantly, you getting a lot of movement between those hours. All right, now me personally, I only trade 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. So if I don't find a trade between 1 a.m. to 5 a.m., I'm done. It doesn't matter if I don't get no trade, because I'm consistent. And there it will be a trade to be made between 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. But I'm showing you that between 1 a.m. to 8 a.m., there's a lot of money to be made during this time. All right, let me show you again. 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. You see this big bullish move? You could have caught that. 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Use a strategy, whatever you need to do, but it was money to be made. 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Again, let's look at this one. Now, this one didn't really move as much until towards the end to 8 o'clock. But that's why we have 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. And this is all Eastern time, by the way, as well. All right, so boom, you got that. All right, and then look at this one, another day. I'm just trying to show you the facts, guys. 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. You got movement. You got movement. All right, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. over and over. All right, this is another day, another trading day. You got the bearish move, and then you got the correction coming on up. You could have caught both. A lot of times, us as a team, we catch both moves. And this is just day trading, team. This is just day trading. That's all we do. Now look at this big continuation of a downtrend. All right, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. you could have caught. And you don't necessarily have to catch the whole thing. Just get a piece of it. Get a piece of it. A piece of this can change your life. All right, 15, 20 pips will change your life. All right. Look at it again. This is another day. 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. You got the bullish move, and then you got the correction, bearish move. It seems to happen. Do you see the trend? All right, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Another one. This one I didn't like. I don't like this one as much. But do you see it was more consistent though? You had more opportunities than you didn't, right? Now you get this day where it's kind of choppy, you know. And this is not, you know, if it's news, I don't trade news. So if it's news involved, then that's a no trade day for me. All right. So there you go, team. There you go. So 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Make this video quick for you guys. Look at this. Another move. You could have caught the sale, or you could have just waited for the right opportunity and caught this this bullish move. But what time did it happen? 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. All right. Now, being able to catch this stuff, you're going to need a mentor. Being able to catch this, you're going to need to know how to trade, team. And so, you know, if you need a mentor and you want to learn how to catch these moves like how we're catching it every single day, Monday through Thursday, then join the team. My link is in the description if you want to join my team, the mentorship. My link is in the description. Holla at your boy. I would love to help you guys. I'm helping so many people and so many people grow their accounts. So I would love to help you all. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the beginning. Now look at this. Now that was 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's more like London crossing over into New York. But now look at, this is the time where I was telling you that the market wasn't moving. This is the Australian time, or the Aussie time, or the Sydney session crossover times right here. Look at that consolidation. Let's make that red. Let's make that red, team. Now look at that. That's nothing. That's all it does. And this is when people get out of work. It's nothing to trade there. That time moves so slow. And I picked the GBP pairs as well. Now, if you want to trade this time of the day, then you're going to have to pick an Australian pair, because maybe that might move a little bit more, but that's still slow. But I picked the GBP pair because they move a lot and it's super slow. All right, super slow. Look at that. Look at the crossover. Look, let's mark it up again. Look how slow that is. Super slow. Nothing there. It's a waste of time. That's why I don't want to even look at the charts during this time of the day. It's a waste of time. I could be making money somewhere else. I could be working on my real estate. I could be, you know, making some more videos for you guys versus watching this consolidation. Like, this is crazy. You see what I'm saying, team? That's why I wake up at 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Well, me personally, I wake up 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. All right. But you guys maybe want to do a 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. But I like 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. So I'm just going to keep marking it up. It's nothing there, team. Really, it's nothing there. Sometimes it is, though. I won't lie. But for the most part, nothing there. Nothing. Like that's nothing. That's nothing. So you guys see, I think I'm proving my point with facts. There's nothing there. If you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, you want to be waking up between 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. And so I won't mark it up no more. I'm just showing you it's nothing there. All right. Sometimes you might catch something, but for the most part, you're just going to be getting faked out, going back and forth with the market. Okay. If you really want to make some money and do it quickly and get in and get out, 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. team. That is the best times. So there you have it, team. 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. if you can. But me personally, I'm sticking with 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. And I find my pockets, I get in, I get out. Sometimes 15 pips, sometimes 60 pips. And that's what I'm looking to catch every single day. I hope this cleared up a lot of things for you. So go ahead and back test on your chart and see what I showed you today line up with what you're seeing on your charts, and I'm pretty sure it will. Also, I want to thank everybody that's been liking the videos, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I wish that I could meet you all my subscribers, everybody that's watching this video right now. I wish that I could do a meetup and meet you guys, you know what I'm saying, because you guys are real people and you guys are commenting and messaging me how my channel has been helping you, and so I really would like to meet you guys one day. I will be in London. For everybody that's out there that's watching my channel, I'll be there on February 28th and 29th, 2020. Alright, so hopefully I'll meet somebody there. I will be doing a new music video there while I'm in London, so you're welcome to be a part of it. But we almost at what, 69,000 subscribers? Let's get it to 100,000, team. Let's get it to 100,000. Alright, I know we can do it. It just encouraged me to make more videos and keep you guys laced up out here in this Forex market. Because if you're not laced up in this Forex market, you already know bad things can happen. So hey, this your boy Jay Wayne signing out. I'm your Forex plug. And don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.